that's outstanding, or little widgets that are total expenditure block, how much who's happy just to let things go as they are. This is the perfect view for you. Pretty much every piece of information you need. Who just wants to check the overview of it, we can click straight into the block. More details, we have the ability just to click into more details from an overview point of view, but it also gives you all that in-depth. Another click just to see every single piece of information, like the overview aspect of it. A calendar would work in, say, I don't know, Google Calendars, string straight in. And it's so simple, it gives you everything, room if that's the case, time it's due, who's going to be The final widget is pending tasks. Now this can be anything relating to you, whatever you want to put on here, but for example, we need a gas and electric person to come briefly go over some of the other parts that we have on the system as well. We have tasks and events, which is where you can manage effectively your tasks and events that you've set up, so all the detail are in there. We also have another great feature where you can actually add all your viewers and viewings, so anyone coming to the house to visit it. We have an absolute fantastic feature called Messages, which will actually track all of the log for you, so any of the outgoing text, incoming texts or emails, it's going to log.